And news just coming in, the Delhi cabinet is likely to discuss the Jan Lokpal Bill 2014 further, which means it's highly unlikely that the bill will be cleared by the cabinet today. This is what sources are telling headlines today. Of course, Arvind Kejriwal had insisted within 15 days of taking over as Chief Minister of Delhi, the Jan Lokpal Bill will be passed on at Ramlila Maidan. He'd insisted that there'd be a special session of the Delhi Assembly at Ramlila grounds. People from across the country can watch that special session where Jan Lokpal Bill will be passed, but some hiccups there, it seems. Headlines today is Ankit Tyagi, who tracks the Delhi government and the Aam Aadmi Party very closely, joins me for more on this story. What's the hiccup, Ankit?
Well, there are a few. The draft was to be presented in the cabinet today. The draft, in fact, has been made. Gaurav, we have exclusive details of the draft. In fact, we have the copy of that draft that the cabinet was to approve. There are certain procedural issues, in fact, and there is also contention about the maximum punishment. So far, the draft says the maximum punishment would be life imprisonment, but there are few members, those who think that for corruption cases, it will be too stringent, and that is why there is a discussion on that, and also about there is also one provision about the members of the Lokpal, who will be the chairperson and the members of the Lokpal. They will not be able to take any other office after demitting the office for the next 5 years, and they will not be able to fight elections for at least 5 years. That is something that the members are discussing. In fact, what we know from our sources is that there are few members who think that once a person becomes the chairperson of the Lokpal committee, he should not then go ahead and fight elections for his life. That is something that the discussion is on as of now. The cabinet has in fact postponed it for the next cabinet. It will be presented in the next cabinet, but as we have the final copy of the draft that has been prepared, and this will be called the Delhi Lokpal 2014.
Okay. Are there ministers in favor who say life imprisonment for those convicted of corruption, and is there a classification, corruption of this level or this magnitude?
Well, the draft specifically reads that in the rarest of rare case of corruption, that will be decided by the special court in each case. If they think that it comes under the rarest of the rare, then the life imprisonment will be given. Otherwise, the punishment has been kept between 6 to 10 years. But the contention right now is that whether they want to streamline this definition of rarest to rare, or they want it to be open with a court.
Okay.
That is what the members as of now are deciding.